Hello, I'm Leo the King, the Surgical Sun Magician. This time, guys, I present to you what we call the telekinesis. The brain power, made the mind power. Let's use it to open this padlock here. And I want you to look at it, the padlock carefully. Okay. And I put it back in my hand. There we go. Let's lock it. Watch closely. Now it's locked. And I focus into the center of this padlock. I'll use my mental power. Using telekinesis. I'll open the padlock. And it's locked. Pull it. Try to pull it if you can. It's locked, right? Okay. And now, once and for all, all together, let's combine our mind power to open this padlock. Okay, here we go. Again. And I'll try to concentrate. I can hardly open this thing. Okay, once again, here I go. Okay, here we go. You already opened the padlock, and carefully look at my hands. There's no keys in my hand, no key. And the padlock now is now open. Using telekinesis. Now you believe, you see it firsthand with me. The real telekinesis. Opening padlock using mind power. Oh well, guys, you can do it at home while you're alone in your room. I'm the Surgical Sun Magician. Thank you for viewing. See you next time in the